Welcome to this session. In this session, we will be looking at the marketing concept and the approaches of marketing. So let's get started. First, let us see the objectives of this session. At the end of the session, you will be learning the concept of marketing, and you will also understand the different types of marketing approaches, and you will also learn the current trends and events in this field as marketing is regarded as. So let's get started. First, start with marketing. You see, suddenly when you hear the word marketing, you will be getting something in mind that marketing is all about delivering the goods to the customers. But it is not the entire picture of marketing, as the marketing is not simple as the word looks. So marketing is the function or functions, each and every functions involved from production till the end consumption. So all these elements will contribute to the subject of marketing. With this basic understanding, let us jump into the marketing studies. A marketing is made up of every process, as I have already told, every process that is involved from the production till the consumption. Involved in moving a product or service from the organization to the consumer. So the journey between the organization to the consumer is known as marketing. It includes discerning needs of the customers, developing products or services to meet those needs. So first we have to identify what is the need of the consumer, and then we have to develop the products in accordance with that need. And we have to identify who is likely to purchase the products or services, and we have also to promote them, and we have to move them through appropriate distribution channels. You see, inappropriate distribution channels will not help us here, so you have to find out the appropriate distribution channels to reach those customers. So that is very important. Simply, it is about understanding your customers. So everything is understanding your customers. At the end of the day, customers are the most valuable persons as far as every business unit is concerned. And then customers want, and using that understanding, drive the business. So first, the art of marketing starts from understanding your customer. Once you have understood your customers, and then you will make your business based on that understanding. So it will clearly give you the desired profit. Thus, you already understood what your consumer is in need. So let's understand. Here I have given another picture. So let's understand that. Here these are some of the functions that will take place in the marketing. You have to take action, that is a call to action, and you need to promote your brand, and you have to plan how to do the marketing, and you have to position the product at the right position, and then you have to direct the market. So this is about marketing. So this is what marketing is. And affiliate marketing, budget, this is very important, marketing budget, and the strategy on which way you are going to achieve it. So everything comes under strategy, and lead the conversion. All these functions will contribute to that of marketing. So let us see another example, that here all of them are working in order to make the consumer satisfactory. You see, the consumer is here looking for the service of the marketing functionalities. So not only the ordering or delivery process is known as marketing, but in between, as we have already seen, the journey between organization to consumer, you have to make travel arrangements, you have to make warehouses, and you have to do the needed logistics, and you have to pack the product. Each and every functions that once the goods was finished in the market, in the manufacturing unit, and reaching the consumer, the in between process, every process is known as marketing. Let's understand the meaning of marketing in this slide. So what is the meaning of marketing is that marketing is to also be defined as a set of activities involved in identifying and anticipating customers' needs. See, you will not you know what is the you will not anticipate the customer's need at the point of where it is to be sold, because the product have to be produced first. So for that you have to anticipate the customer's needs in the first place before starting the production. So the marketing process, the marketing is a process that is even before the production, the marketing is taking place. So this is very important, and we have to attempt to satisfy those needs profitably. This is very important. Each and every business is based on profitability. So let us break it down. Let us break each and every words in this definition, the following slides. So identify the needs of customers. So who are the customers? Customers are the persons who are getting the service or product from us, and in return they will be giving or rewarding money for us for the service or the production that we have made. So those are called the customers for our product. So we have to identify the needs of customers, so that only we can produce the goods which are used by the customers and not the goods which will the customers not like. If we produce the goods which are not in the needs of customer, then we will end up making loss. So first thing is we have to identify the need of customers. What is the need of the hour? That is very important. So identifying customers' need, typically this is typically where marketing research comes in. You see, identifying the customer's need starts even before the production. So the marketing function starts even before the production is taking place. So that is the importance of marketing here, where the research comes in, and methods of marketing research will be covered in later chapter. But market research helps a company to develop a detailed picture of its customers. So it will help us to create a detailed picture of the customers, including the clear understanding of their wants and needs. So first thing is you have to identify the needs of our customers, and then the second, in that definition we have seen this anticipating the customer's need. Why do we have to anticipate the customer's needs? Because anticipation for the future is very important, as the consumption or the end usage of the product will be happening in the future.